Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save the selected range as PDF in Excel. It's really simple and easy. So let's suppose that in this data, I just make a PDF of this area. So you can see I have selected this. So now I just want to PDF this section. So what you have to do is first of all just select it, then tap on this file in the top left corner. And now as you can see create PDF and XPS. You have to tap on it. You will see this kind of window. You have to select the destination first, tap on the destination, and now you can see this options. You have to tap on this options, and you can see this. You have to tap on this selection here, and then simply tap on this OK and click on this publish. And now you will only see this selected area PDF in your desktop. As you can see here, if you open it, if I double tap on it to open, you will see we have only our selected PDF here. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to save the selected range as PDF in Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.